Bill, 33 Mile Bees here, Southeast Michigan. Today's November 26th. Hope everyone had a good and fulfilling Thanksgiving. Right now it's about 55 degrees here in Southeast Michigan. So it's going to be about the last day of this year that I'm going to be looking into these hives. I have to get the Apivar strips off, double check everything. I want to do a mite wash on a couple of them to see how they were. Like this one here that I'm leaning on had 18 mites in this one when I did the wash. Next one had 28. So I want to see how things are going with that, and if I have time, might be able to do an oxalic acid vaporizer on them. But we'll see what we can get into. I got pretty much everything all set, ready to go to winterize everything, and let's see what we can get into. Alright, let's see what we got here. Not really into that. Put that on a couple weeks ago. Didn't film it. There's a pile going here of the Apivar strips. The first hive there, it had a couple mites, much better than the last one. Last time I checked it. Let's see the first one here. I'm sure they're not going to like it this time of the year. And hopefully this works out. So, let's see what happens. Here. Okay, let's see what we got. Go here. Sorry, it's down in there and you guys can't see it. Quick look. Wow, still got drones. All right, let me get these up. Inner cover. Hive life on it. See, they changed the label. It's printed right on the plastic now. One down. Top cover on. Good. And I use these from Baden. Beehive covers. Seem to work pretty good, pretty easy. Up between. Tight, and Velcro's on, and make sure that entrance is okay. Entrance is still good. All right, let me shake this up. In a couple minutes, be right back with you. And looking there, we got one little bee part right there. Or is that a mite? Nope, that's a mite. So this one went from 28 mites down to 1. The amplifier worked pretty good, at least in this hive. So that's all I'm going to do. See what happens. Looks like the family's out decorating for the Christmas parade, so I'll finish these hives up and go out decorate some tractors for our lighted Christmas parade. So again, Phil, 33 Mile Bees. Don't know how much more I'll be posting after this for the winter, but if I find some content I can, I definitely will. Okay, catch you later. Thanks for watching. 33 Mile Bees out.